So, we made it to Cape Hatteras. The wind looks like it died since I rigged up my small sail. But hopefully, I'll have enough wind if I wait for puffs. We'll see. Definitely enough wind.
Some of my flights were definitely longer on this third day of learning this sport. Again, listen for the water. You can hear when I'm fully airborne on the foils. When I'm tip-tapping the wave tops. Mostly I'm tip-tapping today. I'm getting up to some pretty good speeds. Topping off at 16 miles per hour rather. Port tack. It's a starboard tack. And I want to even that out. Tomorrow the wind is supposed to be blowing from the north, the opposite direction more or less from what we've been having here. And so sailing away from the beach will be a starboard tack, and that could help me to even myself out a bit. That was one of the first times that I managed to actually jibe, albeit very slowly and cumbersomely, without falling in. That's really basic windsurfing skills of handling the sail and turning the board more than foiling. I'm still... There's a nice flight. Better on port tack. I've got plenty of wind to get on the foil. Leaning the hull upwind is actually desirable if you can control it and you have enough wind. I'm still sailing level here. Later in the day, I didn't catch on video, but I was sailing with the board heeling to windward a bit, which is really effective with very strong wind. You can kill some of the uplift, transfer it into side lift, upwind lift, by heeling the whole rig over into the wind when you're really moving. I'm going to attempt to tack. Oh, like I pulled it off. Kind of. No, not quite.
Let's see if I can beach/water start without popping up on the foil immediately. Watch the foil. like it's easier to go upwind than downwind. So here I am, quite a ways upwind from where I started, and I'm gonna have to be able to sail downwind. I could always sail downwind off the foil if I have to, but after 48 minutes, I might have to go in for a little break if I can get there. I made it back to the beach.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe below. There'll be more windsurfing videos to come.